Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make mint tea. This tea is very healthy. It's relaxing, and even the flavor, the smell from mint tea is lovely. So that's what we are going to make. So let's not waste too much time and start making some mint tea. All right, so I have some fresh mint here. I got this from a friend of mine's garden, and so this is fresh, and you can see how fresh it looks. It looks lovely, but sometimes you see some bad parts of it, and what you can do is you just take this. You can take this part off, you can cut it off, or you can just like that. And you want to use fresh, and then like the baby one, you don't want the ones that are too grown, so you can get the mint, you can get all the flavor that comes in. So we use the fresh ones. If some of the leaves looks like wilted, all you have to do is just take it out. I have this for a few days now. I just sprinkle some water on it and put it in refrigerator. And so what you can do also to keep it fresh is you can put this in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. And when you want to boil your tea or make some mint tea, you just take it out and put it in your hot water and boil it. So I have two of the stems here, or two leaves. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to add another one. As you can see, it looks fresh. Like this is a little bit wilty, and I'm just going to take those out because we are looking for a fresh and healthy tea to drink. And I put that one there as well. And look at, so this is what I'm taking. You see how fresh baby look is looking. That this is what you want always. All right, so these three is enough for just 1 cup of tea. This is enough. So this is what we are going to boil, and I am going to put this here and I'm going to add 3 cups of to this. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water to this. All right, and then I am going to boil this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so I just put this on the heat to boil, and we are going to boil this 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to cover it so it can boil. The heat is very high. Put it on heat. You can use warm, you can use hot water to make the boiling faster. I just chose to use the cold water, but if you are in a hurry, you can just use the hot water, and that will make the process, the boiling very quicker for you. So we'll come back here when it's almost 10 minutes to see how the boiling is, and our tea will be ready. All right, so our mint tea has been boiling for almost 6 minutes. Oh my goodness, the flavor out from it smells so good. It's like you inhale it, and then it just ease into you, and you can see it boils so nicely, and our tea is ready. So we are just going to pour this and enjoy. All right, so our tea is ready. I let it sit for about just 3 to 5 minutes. Have it all down, you can see in here, and I'm just going to pour this up here. This, when you pour all the water off this, don't throw it away. You can still make one more tea out of this. Just add water and boil it again, and it will infuse all the flavor again into the tea for you. So don't just waste it. Don't just make it once and throw it away. Use it again. All right, so that is done. And look at our lovely tea. It looks so amazing. Look at the color. And so we are going to add, I have my honey. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey to this. All right, so I have 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I'm going to use lemon. So this is going to be a fresh lemon that I just cut it in half. We are just going to use half, and I am just going to squeeze that in here, and you can drink this tea just like that. And the reason why I like mint tea is because it has a lot of health benefits. Mint tea may ease digestive upset, like if you have stomach upset, drinking mint tea helps you lower that. If it freshens your breath, and mint gum or mint chew something mint, it freshens your breath. And so like how you chew a mint, it's the same tea. The tea also freshens your breath, and it also improves energy. With the mint tea, it improves energy, and it also improves sleep. So there is a whole lot of health benefits with mint tea. Instead of drinking anything, I prefer to drink mint tea. I just get the fresh one and drink, and you can get the dry mint as well to do, but the fresh one, you releases all the benefits freshly, and that is healthy for you. And so I like to make these teas myself and drink it to get the health benefits. So I'm going to give a quick taste to this and see how it comes out, and it smells so good. The smell alone eases yourself. It just eases you down. So this is really good. So I just show you how to make mint tea. This is fresh made, and it's so healthy. Even holding it like this, the smell from it, the flavor, it just melts you down. And I don't know what it's about mint tea, but it has so many health benefits that is really good for our body. So I am going to drink this and see how it comes out. Oh my goodness. When you drink it, when you drink the tea, the mint tea, once you drink it, you just feel that easiness that goes through, and then the flavor, the smell from it just ease you at once. So I don't know, but it's like magical. So I love this, and the benefit of this really relieves menstrual cramps with mint tea. It relieves tension. If you have a serious tension, and if you are stressed up and you don't know, just boil a fresh mint tea, sit down and just inhale. You see it will just calms you down right away, and it's really good for headache and migraine, and it has so much benefit. Drink mint tea. So don't put this off. I use this all kinds of teas that I make, which are just fresh and healthy, and you can add as much as sweetness you want with this. You can add more than 1 tablespoon of the honey that we added, and you can add lemon juice to it, fresh lemon juice, or if you don't have the fresh one, just use the already made lemon juice is good as well, and just make it how you want. But the medicinal benefit of mint tea is very, very, very high, and you would like to incorporate this in your tea, in your everyday routines, to release you, to melt you down, to cool you down, take off all the tension and all the stress off, and just relaxes your body. I hope you would like to make this tea for yourself, and just let me know in the comment section below how you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like, share, comment. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you. And as always, stay healthy, stay blessed, and keep making healthy food, healthy drinks, and healthy tea. Until my next video, stay healthy. I'll see you. Take care. Bye bye.